Welcome to today's deep dive. Imagine sitting at your desk, right? You're editing this massive 4K video file without, a single dropped frame. But the actual computer tower isn't under your desk. It's like sitting in a locked server room 6 miles away.
Yeah, which is exactly the problem enterprise-level AV hardware is trying to solve. So today we're looking at this gear from HDTVSupply, specifically the Smart-AVI P2P-KDG300 IPGard extender.
Right. And well, when you see a discounted price tag of $1,614.15 for what looks like just a basic box.
Right, a network box.
Yeah. It really has to justify that cost by solving like a major geographical crisis. It's not standard home office gear.
It definitely isn't.
So our mission today is to figure out exactly how it pulls that off. Like, how do you push heavy 4K video, audio, and, USB 2.0 signals miles away without the whole system just giving up?
Well, it's really all about transcending physical space. You just use standard CAT5 cables with this. You get about 328 feet of distance.
Which is decent, but...
Right. But if you switch to single-mode fiber optics,
Yeah.
it can push that signal a staggering 6.2 miles.
Oh.
Yeah, a full 10 kilometers.
10 kilometers. So it's less like an impossibly long, super-powered extension cord and more like a digital wormhole.
Yeah, exactly.
It just folds the distance.
It does. And keep in mind who this is actually built for. We're talking mission-critical environments. So traffic control rooms, hospital networks,
Yeah.
big data centers.
Places where the user really needs to be seamlessly connected but physically separate from the noisy server rooms.
Exactly.
But, okay, having that distance is one thing. But I know this isn't just a single cord. It's a dynamic network, right?
Yeah.
Out of the box, it supports, 64 servers and 8 users.
Right, and if you use the Savigate P2P manager, it actually scales up to this massive enterprise-class matrix of 256 servers and 32 users.
Wait, hold on. If you're sending 4K video and, tiny precise mouse movements 6 miles through a complex network of over 250 servers,
No.
doesn't that cause massive lag? I mean, my home Wi-Fi stutters if I just take my laptop to the kitchen.
Well, sure, you'd think there'd be lag, but it completely avoids that by achieving ultra-low latency. It actually changes how the data is packaged using JPEG 2000 compression.
Wait, JPEG 2000, like the digital cinema standard?
Yeah.
How does that even help with real-time mouse clicks?
So unlike standard compression, where it waits for an entire video frame to load before sending it,
Right.
JPEG 2000 actually processes video line by line.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, so it uses wavelet technology. It's sending the top of the image before the bottom is even rendered.
So there's basically no delay.
Exactly. It's streamed so efficiently that the transmission is nearly instantaneous. The user feels absolutely zero delay despite the 6 miles of distance.
Okay, that makes sense. But if, control rooms are relying on the zero lag connection, the hardware has to be completely indestructible.
Oh, for sure. And the hardware specs guarantee that. It has a mean time between failures rating, or MTBF, of 135,540 hours.
Right, and I actually did the math on that for you before we started. That is over 15 years.
Wow. Yeah.
15 years of continuous 2,047 operation without breaking down.
Which is exactly what you need. When you're running a data center, a hardware failure isn't just a minor issue, it's a crisis.
Yeah, absolutely.
So that reliability justifies the investment.
Yeah. So to sum this all up for you, this technology seamlessly merges vast physical distances with instantaneous digital control.
It really does. It's incredible.
It is. And, it leaves you with this final thought. If current enterprise hardware lets a user control a massive server 6 miles away with zero perceptible lag right now. Wait, sorry, I meant to say, if it does this right now, how might this invisible extension cord technology eventually reshape everyday consumer remote work and virtual computing? Will we even need physical computers in our homes, or will you just buy a monitor and tap into a machine miles away?